guys, Miss Gregory here. Chapter 11, mid-chapter review. This is going over answers from the workbook, page 828, which is your mid-chapter check. Picture of your book, you need that. You need to have already answered the question so you can check to make sure you are correct. Just a few things to remember. Take notes. Take notes on notebook paper with a pencil, or take notes by recording to see that you have the right answer. If you don't have the right answer, please copy correctly how to work it out. Little SpongeBob humor, because you do need to be studying for your quiz. Okay, but keep calm. I'm here to help. Okay, here is a screenshot of the mid-chapter check, page 828. You should be answering all of the questions 1 through 8. You do need to show your work, and now you can move forward to check the answers. Okay, don't forget, assume that everything I teach will be on the exam. Very well could be. Getting you ready now. Question 1, check your answers. You can see that the mean is another word for average. The mean, you are adding up all the numbers in your data set and then dividing by the total numbers in that set. For number 2, it's the mode. That's the number or numbers that occur most often in a set. And then here on the yellow lined paper, I've shown my work for number 1. I added up all the numbers in the list. There are 6 numbers, and I am dividing by 6. So when I add up all the numbers, the sum is 126 divided by 6, and the answer boxed in purple is 21. You would need to show me those same steps when you do your quiz tomorrow. All right, looking at number 3 and looking at number 4, you will have similar types of problems, similar types of directions as you see here. All right, for number 3, adding up the numbers, you get 149 divided by 5. That comes up to 29 8/10. Okay, adding the numbers, dividing by 5 was how I got the answer. For number 4, there are 6 numbers. Adding them up, I get a sum of 54. Dividing by 6 numbers, I get an answer of 9. Okay? On 5 and 6, the directions are to find the median and the mode for each set of data. Now, before you can find the median, which is the number in the middle, you have to first put the numbers in order from least to greatest. So I did rearrange the numbers, 1, 2, 4, 5, and 7. Then I marked off with orange, and you can see that the one number 4 is in the middle. Usually when you have an uneven or odd set of data, you'll find there's just one number in the middle. However, when there's an even set of data, you're going to find 2 numbers in the middle, and you need to find the average of those numbers. Now, in the list for number 5, once you have the numbers in order least to greatest, you can quickly tell if there are any numbers that repeat or not. In this case, there is no mode because there aren't any numbers that repeat. All right, question number 6. The median, again, the work has been shown. You've got to rearrange the numbers, put them in order least to greatest. Make sure you are copying the same numbers. You're not leaving anything out, and you're not adding any extra numbers. So rewriting everything least to greatest, and I've marked everything off. You can see that the one number that's in the middle is 42, circled in orange. The mode is also 42 because if you look, underlined in black, 42 is the only number that appears more than once. Okay? Moving on to number 7. You have to find the median and mode of the data, and then you are supposed to compare and describe the data. So for number 7, I took the information in the chart rearranged the numbers in order from least to greatest. You can see that there at the bottom. Hold on. Okay, I've obviously made a little mistake here, but we're going to go ahead and run this through. You can see that the median for number 7 is 14.5, and the mode is 14. You can see where I was trying to strike through the numbers and show you what's in the middle. In this case, there are 2 numbers in the middle, and the average of those 2 numbers would be 14.5. Okay, so in the answer for number 7, the median and the mode are close together. You're comparing 14.5 to 14. The median is the one that is slightly higher. Okay, last question, number 8. Again, you're looking at your data in the table. This time they've given you the mean of 18 and 2/10 minutes, and you're trying to find the missing input for sit-ups. How many minutes were spent doing sit-ups? This is a problem we worked in lesson 11.2, one of the final examples right above the guided practice, where you had to use the strategy of solving backwards. Alright, so here's the information in the middle. You need to start with 18 and 2/10 times 5, because you have 5 inputs listed in the table. So 18.2 times 5 would be 91. Then the numbers I'm adding up are the 4 numbers that are in your chart. So 8 plus 10 plus 38 plus 20 equals 76. So now my last step to find the missing sit-ups would be to subtract 91 for the total number of minutes minus 76, all of the other categories that I have. So 91 minus 76 would leave 15 minutes for the sit-ups. And since you have your workbook page, I went ahead and posted this. Sorry about the little mix-up there. But this is the last slide, and this is the end. So happy studying. May the odds be ever in your favor, so that you may pass the math test like a boss. Good luck tomorrow. See you in class.